You're not wasting time because you have too many meetings. You're wasting time because your product process is pretending to be precise while actually being vague. In the next 2 minutes, you'll see exactly where your time is leaking and how to plug it. Most teams think work in progress means progress. In reality, it often means we started too much and finished nothing that matters. That's the first hidden time sink. Starting work without a clear definition of done tied to a real user outcome. If your ticket says improve onboarding, that's not work. That's a wish. Time leak number 2. Decisions that look like they're made, but aren't. You leave a meeting with let's try both and see, which sounds smart but really means we were afraid to choose. So the team builds 2 half-baked things instead of one strong bet. Notice how often your roadmap is a parking lot of maybes dressed up as Q3. Time leak number 3. Feedback that arrives too late to matter. You ship a big feature, then learn it solved the wrong problem. That's not bad luck. That's a process that protects people's feelings more than it protects the calendar. Here's the twist. You don't fix this by working faster. You fix it by making it impossible to do fuzzy work. Start with one simple rule. No task enters development without a single testable user behavior you expect to change. Not better engagement, but increase weekly active projects per user from 1 to 2. If you can't name the behavior, the work is not ready, no matter how urgent it feels. Second rule. Every decision has a timestamp and an owner. We decide by Wednesday PM owns the call, and we will not revisit unless new data appears. This kills the quiet, endless reopening of old choices that drains weeks. Third rule. Shorten the distance between code and truth. Truth is not your opinion. Truth is what users actually do. That means smaller releases, faster instrumentation, and a habit of asking, what did we learn this week that would change our plan? If the answer is always nothing, you're not learning, you're just shipping. Now, the close of the loop. You don't need a new framework. You need fewer escape hatches. Clear behavior change, real decisions, fast truth. When those 3 are in place, the noise in your product process drops. You still feel busy, but now the business lines up with outcomes you can see. And that's when time stops leaking and starts compounding.